Good evening, friends. Once again, I welcome you in Mangesh Mathematical Trading. Today is 13th June, Thursday, expiry of Nifty weekly expiry. Uh, Let me show you. Now, there is something which you could understand. Daily morning before the market starts, I give you SPP, single premium price. I also told you a major move will come only when price moves below first 5-minute candle low minus 0.2611 or first 5-minute candle high plus 0.2611. Now, I would like to clarify the confusion with absolute example, then only we can understand it better. Why these two things are given? Why SPP also and why this particular rule also? Let me show you. Now see, before I go further, you can see Nifty, this is today, June 13th. SPB was 63.3. Okay, 63.3. Now see the very first candle. Just see the difference between high and low of very first candle. I will do it like this. I will first write high 23,481.05 and I will minus 63.3 the SPP. The answer is 23,417. The answer is 23,417. And you could see the price has gone far below that. It didn't close, but then this candle closed. Okay. So everyone was expecting a big move. And the move never came. And the people then calling me, sir, why the move is not coming? So that is why, see, this has happened, but the other thing is not that correct. See, usually what happens? Okay, just see, Nifty is 23,000, 23,200, 300. Now 0.2611% is somewhere around 60, 70 points. Okay, so usually what happens, SPP is much more than that. So if the difference is between high and low is more than the single premium price, it's sure that a big movement will come. Now just calculate today's low 23,409.1 minus 0.2611%. It's 23,347.97. See, I have used this black line. Got it? So now see, from this low, price never ever went below this. Price will move only if price crosses above first candle high plus 0.2611 or first candle low minus 0.26. Just let's see some on some other day when there was a big move. You could see this precisely. Whenever there is a big move, price moves, see this. Now on 7th, just calculate this. High was 22,847.15 plus 0.2611%. 906. First, the price went above 906. See somewhere over here. See 907. And then see a big move. Okay. So today that did not happen. Price never went below. The first candle itself absorbed, absorbed, sorry, almost all of the SPP. And then further from here to further, it never ever went. Okay. Now let me show you the trades for today. Was it possible to trade? See, let me tell you again, I'm reiterating, this is not a method for all. Okay. This is certainly not a method for all. This is the method for only those people who loves mathematics. It is not so simple that you're watching some moving average crossover and then MACD crossover and then stochastic crossover and then buying. No, it's not that simple. Okay. That is one of the reasons why I never give any sort of, what should I say? I never invite you to come and join this method. No, I will not. if one is academically doing good, having some flair for maths, wants to do some sort of a research and spend time. It's not so that today you learn and tomorrow you start say making money. No, that's a fool's paradise. Okay. So that's it. So now just see, coming back to this topic, 23,434 was the close of the first candle. Right. So naturally the call and put that I shall select is 23,450. Now let's see 23,450. But instead of that, I prefer to have a very close premium. If I wish to take you to 23,450 put, here I have changed the put. That is why first let me show you why did I change the put price. Now see here 23,000 call and put, the premium was not so close. The close of the first candle is 50.40 and then it is 76.50. I always prefer, or this method favors, premium should be very close. So now here the put premium is high, so I will go for slightly out of the money put, and that is 23,400. So let me change this 450 put to 400. And now see the premium are very close. Okay. There are two important things. I again tell swapping is by far the best method which provides profit on sustaining basis. But at the same time, without learning it in full, understanding in it toto, it's of no use. Half knowledge is dangerous. Because you see here, though the premium of the first candle are close, I preferred third candle. See, and then I swapped. Swapping is nothing else but high and low of call, they are to be plotted on put. High and low of put, that is to be plotted on call. Now just see here, the high of the third candle is 55.75 call. Low is 41.90. You could see 55.75 and 41.90 plotted on put. Okay. Now the third candle, high is 54.50 and 41.60. So 54.50 and 41.60, that is plotted. And then it's a simple thing. Whichever way the breakout, one should go close below the lower line, one should close above the upper line, and then you get a breakout. Now, again, how could you know that first of all, whether your target is achieved or not? Say 55.75 is the value of put upper line. The first target, all you know, 26.11%. So 55.75 plus 26.11%, that is 70.30. So let me draw a line at 70.30. Let it be 70.30. And the next will be 50%. Okay, so 50% of 55.75, that would be 83.62. 83.62. See, both the targets are hit. Both the targets are hit. 83.62. You could see it. Now what happened? This particular 945, that was it. Just see 945. Saw it. This is the lowest. Now see, there is something called divergence. Just like how you see divergence on RSI or CCI or on any indicator, you could see the divergence over here. Now, how could you see the divergence? See, at 945, Nifty made the first low. At 11:15, it made another low. Just compare these two candles on put. Ideally speaking, put price should have gone further up. When spot made a new low, it should go up. So now let's compare the put premium between 945 and 11:15. So this is 945 and see, this is 11:15. Here you clearly got indication that 23,400 put is giving a divergence. It's not going to rise. It even could not materialize to hit the first target. So suppose after booking profit here, someone wishes to take again the position over here near 55. At this juncture, he should realize that price will not go further, especially today being the last day of the current settlement. He should exit bow to bow or at no profit loss. Just manage your brokerage and you could exit. And then see when price broke below this. Now see, ideally speaking, call and put should be equal and opposite. Now they are same. Both of them, they are below their lower levels. I took one chance in Hero Zero strategy, but that couldn't materialize. Okay, that couldn't materialize today. Somewhere over here, see this high 44, but it cannot be called as a Hero Zero. So that didn't succeeded today. So these were the trade. Only one trade. Second trade would have been squared up at no profit, no loss. And once you realize the divergence, see the divergence. This was the time 9:45 high is made, 11:15 no high is made, 9:45 low is made, 11:15 further low made, but no. Why this all happened? Because price never ever could went past first candle low minus 0.2611. Now let's come to Bank Nifty. Okay. So now let's see Bank Nifty chart. Okay. See the difference between Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty first candle low 50024.15 minus 0.2611 is this line. Okay. So it went past, exactly came up again to first candle low from where we count first candle low minus 0.2611. Then broke even and went further down. Now let's select the strikes and the close is 50,102. That is why the proper price selection will be 50,100, 50,001. Unfortunately, here the premium was very close. But again, I swapped on the third candle. See the high 396.75, 360. High and low of call is plotted on put. Now see high and low of put 391 and 349.5 plotted on call. Simple. This. Now you see it couldn't hit the first target. It again came back to the level. Doesn't matter. Okay, my stop loss will be which I bought here. The red candle closing below the lower line, and at the same time, this is going down. Any green candle closing above the upper line, that will be the stop loss. Just see this 10.25. My first target upper line plus 26.11% was 500.34. It just hit 499 at 10.25. What was so special about 10.25? Let's see this 10.25. So this is 10.25. Precisely when the candle touched first candle low minus 0.2611. Here it hit the first 26.11% target upward. 26.11 and low minus 0.2611. They are decided in such a fashion that once in a three-digit option, you calculated 26.11. In a five-digit index, you calculated 0.2611. We just take 2 digits behind just to settle the difference. Okay, that's it. Now again it rebounded and see where it made the high precisely at the first candle. Now see this. This is 11:55. Precisely at 11:55. Just see precisely at 11:55. It came back. Never to close below the lower line. So you can buy and you can wait for the first target. Now I would like to show you how premium decay. Just see the first time when it touched very close to it, just see it was 10.25. Okay. Now see, next time it touched this, it was 1500 time. So let us compare the prices on Bank Nifty spot at 1500 hours and 1025. 1500 hours, 1025. See, this is 1025. And 1500 hours is this. Price had to go so much of down. It was at 49,893. Now it had to go near 49,801, 92 points down. And then put could attain the 26.11% target. This is how it decays. It requires a lot of strength to go. Once it goes down a lot, many points, then only this will touch. Okay, now see this also. This was 1025, 1120. At 1120, it made another low. But what happened? Even after making another low, put did not make another high. 1120. See this. So that shows divergence. Okay. Divergence means Bank Nifty has made another low, but put has not made another high. That means price is likely to be reversed, and that is what happened. And then it reversed, and then it precisely got the resistance at the first candle low. So this is how today's trend panned out. One of the questions that was asked, sir, I have traded in 49,900 put, why my price could not rise? Simple, 49,900 put would rise only when Nifty goes below, Bank Nifty goes below 49,900, somewhere below. And even if your price, suppose you have taken a position somewhere over here, and then price goes down over here, still you could see the premium decay. You could see the decay here itself, just see the decay. It easily touched, then this touch only after spot falling down by 92 points. So this is decay. So because of decay, so that is why, see, the most important thing is to selection of appropriate strikes, appropriate of strike, pair of strikes, so that you have almost close premium prices. And then swapping, there are certain rules for swapping. Okay, you can study this. You can see, go through this a number of times. You can study what exactly happened on the third candle. This is how you should learn yourself. Okay, why I selected third candle? Just go deep into it. Try to make it out. Try to learn at your own. That is more beneficial. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great, I will not say weekend. Tomorrow there is one more session, but it's mostly the end of the week. A great week. Have a great trading ahead. Thank you.